Amazon gift ideas for Christmas. These babies are refillable perfume bottles. They are the perfect travel size so you can take them anywhere in your luggage. Just pump your favorite perfumes and smell different every single day of your vacation. Smells delicious. And they bring this little bag so you can organize them and put them in your purse. Give this to anyone on Christmas. They're gonna love you for it.
Amazon's most satisfying products. All right, for pesky drains, this is called the drain weasel. You put it in there and you reel the grime up like a fish. You give it a little tug, drains the sink. What do we have? Oh my.
Amazon Favorites, Part 12. This is my travel-size toothbrush sanitizer. It has a built-in UV light to kill bacteria and germs on your toothbrush. Be sure to watch my last Amazon Favorites to see what I use when not traveling.
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. Did you know up to 25% of household products are wasted because you can't even get them out of the bottle? This is my Flip It bottle emptying kit, and let me tell you, it saves so much time and frustration on getting every last drop of product I paid for out of a bottle. Each kit comes with 4 bottle adapters that fit the most common sized bottles found across the world. This is perfect for all your condiments, shampoo and conditioner, or any bottle that can't stand upside down on its own.
This is my awesome Nespresso coffee machine, and it saved me a ton of money. I also got this handy drawer to organize all of the pods. And making a latte is really fast and super simple. Just drop in the pod of your choice, press the start button, and you're ready to go. Now it's time to froth your milk using the attached steam wand. Your gourmet latte is just about ready. Just pour in your milk and top it off with some cinnamon or cocoa powder, and you're done. It comes out perfect every single time. No more overpriced coffee.
Amazon gift deal. Check items off your holiday shopping list because I've got codes on some of Amazon's most giftable items. Double pack of silicone ice molds to make the balls and the cubes ready for all of your holiday drinks. 8,000 reviews, $10.99. We've got double discounts. First thing we're gonna do is click here to save 5%. Drop in this code. There you go, $6 off. Be sure to follow for more codes on holiday gift items.
If you work out a lot or have sore muscles, then I found the best massage gun from Amazon. This is a very high quality massage gun from Nypo that does an amazing job of targeting your sore muscles. It comes with this convenient carrying case that you can take with you anywhere. It's rechargeable, has 5 different intensities, and it's super easy to swap out the 5 different attachments. Here's the most common attachment for deep tissue massage, for your back muscles and spinal cord. This one's for more targeted areas, and for bones and sensitive areas. This massage gun has really helped me recover a lot faster after my workouts, and I highly recommend it. Be sure to check out the comments for a special offer. Don't forget to follow.
Amazon gift ideas for Christmas. This is a microphone that comes with its speaker and it connects to your phone so you can take karaoke to another level. It also comes with disco lights so you can set the perfect mood. Portable, rechargeable, and it has an SD card slot so you can record your music, sing along, or don't do that. Gift this on Christmas. They're gonna love you for it.